By the end of 2023, AI is projected to generate up to $2.3 trillion across all industries of economic value. And the AI tools are also estimated to add value and save up to $2.2 billion for marketing costs. But first, let us define what is AI. AI is a field that defines the computer science and the dynamic data sets. Artificial intelligence algorithms are designed to help us make decisions faster. AI often uses the real-time data, and that's what makes it so exciting. Here are 4 quick examples of AI that you can use in your marketing. AI-powered chatbots on any of your digital assets, such as website or mobile app, can quickly automate your customer service and provide your customers with exact answers that they're looking for. AI-based data analysis is also becoming really popular. That is when marketeers actually can deep dive into the insights of customer interest and behavior and make their decision based on that and save up some marketing budget. AI-based content marketing, personalized content for your customers, will be increasingly powerful tool to use, as it will personalize the content on your digital assets such as website based on the customer that is on your website at the moment. For example, it could be a dynamic content and it is provided by AI. In this case, AI tool gives the customer the content recommendation based on their previous browsing history or based on their customer profile. And finally, AI-based marketing automation can help companies to faster streamline the data into the segments and personalize communication for their customers to get even more value and benefits from marketing automation. Here are some of the AI tools that I use on a daily basis as a marketer. Let's have a look. I like to use Notion's AI, which is currently at the beta stage, but it provides you so much more value. Notion being a really great tool for compiling the data, brainstorming, creating presentations and lists. At the same time, now with the AI tool, it makes it so much easier and faster, all tools in one place. Another AI-based tool that I often use is Copy.ai. It really helps me with my copywriting, to rewrite my sentences, to summarize, and to create more content and faster. For these YouTube videos and creating a short-form video from the long-form videos, I use always Video.ai. You simply have to upload a video into the tool, click on the templates you would like to have as an output. For example, in this case, you can use Instagram Reels. You simply have to upload your long-form video, such as a YouTube video, into the platform, and it will quickly create for you short-form clips that you can quickly use on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. If you feel like this video was very useful and insightful for you, please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button so that you will always be the first to find out about new videos.